Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable resolution notification on Philips 276B. Resolution notification is a notification that will show up on your screen if the resolution set in the system of your computer doesn't match the resolution set on the screen. To do it, go to the settings with the OK button. Now go down, all the way down basically, to Setup. Click on OK, click on OK again, and you can change resolution notification to on or off. Remember to approve the change with the OK button. I'll actually leave on. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.